So in a previous video, I discussed the 4 steps that you needed to do in order to become an Amazon influencer, get into the AIP, the Amazon Influencer Program, and start to receive hundreds of free products every week to review, so you don't have to spend money buying things to review, right? That's the plan. The good news is it's easier than it sounds, but the bad news is it's by far the hardest part of the whole process. Having a YouTube channel, having a TikTok and Instagram and Facebook, a successful one, is very difficult for many people. If you don't already have that, then this video is going to be a very simple, very straightforward way to get into that world so that you can prove to Amazon that you know what you are doing. And all you need is your phone. You don't need lights, camera, you don't need any of that. So I'm going to open up my Amazon app on my phone, and there's a little square icon up there in the top right hand corner. I'm just going to click on that to open up the camera, and I'm just going to look at my desk. Okay, just kind of looking at my desk, and we're going to pick up this fidget spinner. Oh, already saw. There you go. This fidget spinner. So it's going to scan this item. Maybe it might not be bright enough in here to scan. There we go. There we go. So there is that fidget spinner. All right. So that's one video. Right? That's one video. And then the next thing is this mouse. Oh, it's doing my camera case. That's okay. Well, that's not quite it. That's okay. Can't quite tell. How about this mouse? It keeps it keeps targeting that thing. Oh, there it is. There it is. USA Gear mirrorless camera sleeve. There we go. And then I want to show you this this fidget spinner here, or the fidget toy. All right, so there it is. So the point of this exercise is that all around you there is stuff. There are items that you can do a 30 to 90 second review on, discussing why you bought it, how it's held up to time, has it performed its function, and that is your content creator channel. That is your YouTube channel. The whole premise of the channel that we're building today, if you've never built a YouTube channel before, is to create a product review channel that you can show Amazon that you know what you're doing, that will let you get into that Amazon influencer program. So switching over to the computer here, we have that toy. The first thing that you're going to want to do is kind of take a look at the bio here, or the details of the page. And that's all well and good. There's a lot of text here. I'm going to show you a shortcut. If you click on the reviews right here, it takes you down to the review section, and you can start to read some of the reviews, find out what the issues are, find out what the people are excited about with this product, and then you can talk about those things in the video. You guys remember that camera sleeve that I showed you while I was in there? Well, here's another example. And the reason why I wanted to show you this one, this is actually a step ahead of the other thing. If you click on the reviews right here at the top of the reviews is a section that Amazon has generated from AI, from all of the reviews that people have left, discussing the pros and cons of this item. So all you have to do is take a look at that, take your item, take your phone, point it at it, and say, one of the notes on there says that the customers find the camera sleeve fits perfectly. Talk about how it fits your camera, right? Does it offer good protection? Does it feel sturdy? Does it feel flimsy? How do you feel about the design of the sleeve? Some people in the comments say that it has a cute design. Do you find it cute? Do you find it ugly? Do you find it, utilitarian? Whatever. Just talk about, add your own thing. Put, 60 to 90 seconds. Who cares if you mess up? The people watching review videos on Amazon and on YouTube, they want real people reviewing these products. They don't want AI. They don't want a company or a manufacturer video or a seller video talking about, this is the best thing ever. This is perfect. It's waterproof. It's all this and that and the other. They want real people talking about these items. And that's what you are. Now, aside from using your camera to find stuff in your surroundings to review, you can easily just go and look at your orders. You can see that I purchased this January 6th, 2023. I bet you that you have a ton of Amazon products. I bet you've got Amazon products coming, if not every day, every other day, showing up at your doorstep. Review all of those items. Go back to 2020. Look at items that you purchased in 2020 or 2023, for example, here, and talk about, well, I bought this at the beginning of the year 2023. I've taken this with me on a ton of family trips. I've taken this with me on hikes, and it has held up very well. That's the video. I've owned this thing for 3 years. Look at how it's held up. That is the video. You title it something like 3-year review of camera case, and then that's it. That's the video. Now, to show you as proof, over here on YouTube, this is my product review channel. It's Reviews Real Fast, very, very catchy name. The idea is all of the video reviews are 2 minutes or less. There's some that are a little bit over that, but that's okay. And the title, the thumbnail, I don't do thumbnails. Lately, I don't do thumbnails. I don't think that they really matter that much, especially on Amazon itself. They don't matter. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So if people are looking for product reviews for camera sleeves or whatever, your video has a chance to show up. So you're growing a YouTube channel, which is an ancillary benefit, but you're also creating proof that you can create product review videos, that you understand the types of things that you need to talk about when you're talking about a product, be it a fidget toy or a camera case or a coffee mug or a bath towels, right? Every single thing on Amazon. Replacement water filters for your fridge, the protein powder, the energy drinks that you buy, the toilet paper that you get, everything. It doesn't have to be fancy, fun stuff. It can be the most mundane nonsense. Review it, talk about it. How does this toilet paper feel? How have these towels held up over the course of the year that I've owned them? Since the videos take just 2 minutes or less to film, and we're not editing them, guys. We're uploading them as they are with no cuts, no edits. Don't overthink it. You don't need to edit out the ums and the uhs. If it gets too long, if it gets like 10 minutes, nobody's gonna watch that. But this video is gonna be 10 minutes long. Watch. No editing, no thumbnails, no special lighting. Use the microphone on your phone. You don't need a special microphone for it. Do it next to a window so you have some decent light, all of that. And look, you don't even have to show your face. Some of these I have set up on a tripod here, but see, a lot of these product review videos, I'm just not in them. I'm pointing a camera at the table and I'm, manipulating it there. So you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to, right? So the only thing holding you back is you. Everybody has a phone. You're watching this video right now on your phone. Everybody has a phone. Everybody's bought stuff on Amazon. Start doing 30, 60, 90-second videos talking about why you bought it, how it's held up over the last 6 months, year, 5 years, and get those videos online. And before you know it, you'll be earning a couple $100 extra a month, a couple $1,000 extra a month, talking about things that you're going to buy anyway. If you are interested in learning how to get hundreds of free products a week to review once you've gone through all of the products in your home that you own already, check out the video that's on screen now. It's an oversimplification of how to get into the Amazon Influencer Program and how Creator Connections work, but if you are interested in learning more about that or this, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm looking forward to helping out as many people as I can with this. Thanks for your time.